Hi, everybody. My name is Louise Ping. I am a storage specialist here at AWS. Very excited to be here to talk to you about AWS Transfer Family. So, what is Transfer Family? Transfer Family is a service that securely scales recurring business-to-business file transfers to AWS storage services using SFTP, FTPS, FTP, and AS2 protocols. So we enable three key workflows: simple file sharing, managed file transfer or MFT, and B2B data integration. So what that means, simple file sharing allows external vendors and partners to share files easily to S3 or EFS. Managed file transfer or MFT has a centralized IT team that then manages and centralizes the exchanging of data, governance, and monitoring the information coming in and out of the ecosystem. We'll dig into that in a sec. Next, we have B2B data integration. That means companies use standard electronic formats to share documents. This is typically referred to as EDI or electronic data interchange. So why does MFT matter? MFT matters because it allows companies to exchange data via secure, automated, and monitored file transfers. It allows companies to use known and trusted secure file transfer protocols such as SFTP, and customers or clients and partners can just use their existing client software, making it easier for them. Managed file transfer, MFT, also adds capabilities that allow IT teams to govern regulatory compliance and automates file processing. So when you leverage AWS Cloud for your MFT workloads, you also get a fully managed cloud service, which helps minimize your operational burden, and then it also gives you cloud scale, which provides elastic performance and pay-as-you-go pricing. So with MFT in the cloud, you also integrate natively with cloud storage, so the data is no longer in a silo, and it gives you data pipelines and easy analysis. So the common use cases that we often see for managed file transfer are regulated document exchange. So this is typical for companies like hospitals and banks and genomics companies that need to retain documents for regulatory reasons. Next, we see trading partner transactions, which are typically purchase orders that they use to automate and process invoices and shipment notifications. Finally, we see content distribution, which typically customers like to share and distribute large files like market data, videos, and images. So let's dig in just a sec in one of the recent launches we've had. So on July 25th, we launched something called SFTP Connectors. SFTP Connectors is a fully managed and low-code capability that simplifies copying data between remote SFTP servers and Amazon S3. Customers often refer to this as client operations. Customers can now securely copy files between an externally hosted SFTP server and AWS Storage. SFTP Connectors also generates audit logs for each file transfer, which helps adhere to common industry compliance certifications and addresses data governance and security without operational overhead. And you've heard me say it before, but it scales as you need, and you can pay for what you use. So finally, let's talk about how SFTP Connectors can help through something called bidirectional MFT. So bidirectional MFT architecture includes not only the server, but client operations as well. Transfer Family, with the launch of SFTP Connectors, now supports bidirectional MFT. What this means is customers can now deploy a fully managed listening endpoint for SFTP, FTPS, and FTP, as well as a fully managed connector for outbound SFTP. This allows customers to be able to receive files from third-party users, automate their pipelines, process and refine the data, and then distribute the data to external third parties over SFTP. SFTP Connectors also supports retrieve operations, which means a connector can also connect to an external SFTP server. It does not need to be a Transfer Family server. Pull a file to be stored in Amazon S3, and you can then automate pipelines, increasing the information coming into your data lake. So if you'd like to learn more, check out those QR codes. We've got one for Transfer Family and one for SFTP Connectors. Thanks.